Hey folks, so I just wanted to make a little video just in case you weren't able to attend class today or you had technical issues so that you know how to set up your notes page for the PowerPoint presentation that we started in class today. So the first thing I had students do was locate their large white piece of paper. You got 5 pieces of 9 by 11 in your kit. This is not the watercolor paper. The watercolor paper has a weird edge to it. It has a funky, this is your watercolor paper, so don't use this. But you want to use that heavier weight white paper, this drawing paper. First thing you're going to do here is you're going to fold that in half. What I like to call hamburger style, if you've ever heard that before. And so we're going to do that once. We're going to fold it in half twice, kind of making sure we're creasing those folds, and then we're going to fold it in half a third time, and really that's kind of a much harder fold, but definitely kind of crease that and make sure those folds are nice and tight. And what this is going to do is it's going to give us 8 little rectangle boxes in our paper. So once you've got your paper folded, go ahead and open it back up. And then in that upper left-hand corner, it really doesn't matter which of these 2 upper ones you use, but one of those 2 upper boxes, you're going to put a title. And the title is the same as the PowerPoint presentation, which you can find on Canvas. And so as you're, oops, that's not my example. Where am I? Oh, here it is, sorry. As you're going through, what you're going to do is here's your title, the elements of art, and then we made it all the way through color today. So we left off there, and we will probably pick that up on the next class with our next notes. And so you'll just fill in with each slide you go through, you'll fill in then what the definition is. And then I'm encouraging students to make little drawings or pictures that kind of illustrate the concept of value. So for that one, students might have made a transition from light to medium to dark. Some kids might have used their crayons and chosen a light pink, a red, and a dark maroon to show value changing. It's totally up to you, but this is going to be your quick reference sheet for when we talk about works of art in class. And so you're going to need to use these and have this ready and easy so you kind of know what they mean and can remember the difference between them. So this is a pretty important document, and we are going to use it throughout the class. So make sure that you're keeping this in a safe place and make sure that you have it when you come to class for the next time we meet. All right, good luck, and check out the pigment video also, which I pulled out separately. So if you wanted to watch a little bit of information about how color is made and some of the historical aspects of how color was created, it's a pretty cool little video. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching.